Hey guys, this is Mr. Sal. We're going to write an equation for a line parallel to negative 4x minus y equals negative 5 and passing through the point 3, negative 13. Now to start this one off, it's a little bit different because this equation up here at the top is in standard form. So I've rewritten it right here, and the reason I'm doing that is because I'm going to change this or manipulate it into slope-intercept form. And now I do want to show that the coefficient of y is negative 1 right now. And to do this, what I'm going to do is add, just to start out, I'm going to add 4x to both sides of this equation. Now, negative 5 plus 4x, they're not like terms, so it doesn't matter which way I arrange them as long as the signs stay with the term. So I'm going to write this as 4x and negative 5, or 4x minus 5. And so I got negative 1y equals 4x minus 5. Now I don't want a negative 1 coefficient of y, so to get rid of that, I'm going to divide all the terms by negative 1, which would then leave me with y equals negative 4x plus 5. Now this plus 5 here at the end, that's not going to matter at all, because the only thing we're concerned about with another line that's parallel to this one is the slope. So on this one, if the slope here is negative 4, then the parallel slope needs to be also negative 4. So in the equation y equals mx plus b, I could right now go into the m and just replace it right now with negative 4. Now we don't know the y-intercept of this one. It's not the same line as the one we just saw over here on the left, this one that we just worked, because it's a different line that goes through this point. What that also means is if you plugged in 3, negative 13 into this equation, it would give you a false statement, because that equation is a line that doesn't go through the point 3, negative 13. It does not go through that point. And that's what we're trying to figure out, is another line that goes through it, but it's parallel. So we have to keep this slope at negative 4. Next up, and this would be the preferred method that we used in class, the b value is the same as the y value minus the slope times the x. And we can replace the y and the x values right now with the x and y value in the point up here. The y value is negative 13, the x value is 3. And the slope we already know, that goes through this point is parallel, so it has that slope of negative 4. So just working this thing out, I've got negative 4 times 3, which is negative 12. Negative 13 minus negative 12 is the same as 13 plus 12. And negative 13 plus 12 is negative 1. So I can come up here to this b value and replace it with negative 1. And this right here would be the equation of a line in slope-intercept form that goes through the point 3, negative 13. But it is also parallel to this equation up here at the top. Alright, that does it for this video. Thanks for watching, you guys. If the video helped you out, please like the video. Just make a quick comment if it helped you out. If not, please let me know how, and I'll see if I can make improvements too. And subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next one.